Hello, my name is Frey. I work for Siemens Smart Infrastructure. We are headquartered in Zug, Switzerland, and I'm also a domain leader of the electrical domain here at buildingSMART International. I'm also in the technical domain, and I'm also participating in the digital twin working group at buildingSMART International. Well, OpenBIM, it is important because we have to have an open community to sharing the data openly, and that's why we have to we need access also especially from the operation side, because so far a lot of these data is just used for design and construction, but in operation, and this is where really the long term, the life cycle of a building and infrastructure is working on, we need all these data, and we have to combine this static data that comes from OpenBIM with our with the dynamic data that comes from sensors and all the information within a building, and we have to bring it together in order to create, as we call it, a performance twin that brings all this stuff together, so that we can also check what's going on and optimize. The challenge I see is that, let's say, the complexity that's coming up, and especially also the regulations that will come up. So we have to be more sustainable in all our working. We have more complexity. We need more data already in the design phase. We need more influence in the design phase, also for later proper operation. And this has to be proven already in the design, that you have that there is the possibility of a proper operation later on to be sustainable for the future. Well, this event is really great. It's a good exchange. You talk to people from other business, like from the airport, from hospitals and so on. So we can exchange, and we can understand what are their problems and how can we actually help them in order to solve their problems with not only with technology and with standards, but also with our experience, let's say it this way. And as Siemens, we also own a lot of buildings with our Siemens real estate, and we have to also optimize these buildings, and we learn from ourselves, and we can also share it with our customers what we do internally with them. And I think it's good to have standards. It's important to have standards, especially when it comes also to this openness of sharing data. But every standard is good, but if it's not demanded, let's say by regulations, then the question is, do you want it or not? That's why we also need to talk to the regulation people to see what we can do in order to make this standard mandatory. Well, the impression of this event is, as I said, it's great to meet all these people, to exchange, to bring in new ideas, to share ideas, to talk to other domains, to understand their problems. What can we do in order to make our OpenBIM and digital twin more efficient for the future?